guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. As you can see down in the title, I will be making some keto-friendly pancakes. These pancakes are super delicious and I have everything set out and I'll show you guys how they are made step by step. And if you are interested in seeing how this is made, continue watching the video. Anyways, let's get straight into this video and I'll show you guys everything that you need to make these super delicious pancakes. I will also have everything listed down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and use that as a future reference, just so you can go back and look how these pancakes are made. So don't forget to look down in the description, and let's get straight into this video, guys. Okay, so you want to get your big bowl, and we're going to start adding the ingredients into the big bowl. You also want to make sure your eggs and your cream cheese are at room temperature. 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. Then you're going to go ahead and add your protein powder, half a scoop of that, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Got kind of stuck there. Go ahead and scrape all that off into the bowl. Add 2 eggs to that. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract to that. Use the same spoon as the cream cheese. Go ahead and you're going to scrape all of that into the bowl. Make sure you get all the ingredients incorporated. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. You don't have to do that. That is optional. And then we're going to go ahead and mix all of that together. Get it nice and incorporated all together. And you don't have to use a hand mixer. I did because it's a lot easier for me. And go ahead and mix all that together. Make sure you also get the sides because it's a small mixture. This mixture only makes 4 pancakes or about 5 to 6 depending on what size you make them. Once that's all mixed up, you're going to go ahead and grab some erythritol, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of erythritol. Mix that all together again. Once you got all of that mixed all together, you can go ahead and let this mixture sit for a little bit. I only let my mixture sit for 5 minutes, but the longer you leave it, it will thicken up a little bit more, so it's easier to flip. Okay, so I added some olive oil to that pan, and I'm just going to throw in that mixture. See, it's nice and thick. You can put it in sooner so it won't turn out this thick, but I like it thick. So add that to a pan, and my stove was turned on 2. So that was a little hot. You can put it on medium, and make sure you're watching to make sure it is ready to flip. And once it's flipped, look how beautiful that turned out, a nice golden brown. Go ahead and start with your next pancake. In between those pancakes, I did add some extra oil, and you'll see right away if they're ready to flip or not. That one got stuck, so just wait a little bit longer, and go ahead and flip it when it is bubbling a little bit on the top or the sides. Look how nice and brown those are turning out. Go ahead and take that one out, and then you want to add some olive oil as you go, or any cooking spray that you want. Make sure there's no little crumbs, you don't want those in your pancakes, and just add oil so they don't stick. And that is my last pancake. Like I said previously before, this recipe makes about 4 pancakes depending on what size you make them. Mine are small, but they can be smaller and you can make more. So you want to make sure you keep them on that one side 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to flip them on each side. Make sure they are golden brown on both sides, and you're ready to eat when they are finished. The stove did get pretty hot, so just make sure you're careful with that. And also, they are a little bit hard to flip because they don't have such a consistency with a pancake that has gluten. And this is the finished product. They turned out super delicious, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. I just added some blueberries to my pancakes, and I'm also going to add a little bit of chocolate syrup, just because that's how I like them. You can add anything you'd like. Go ahead and enjoy those pancakes. Guys, these pancakes are super filling. I didn't even finish my last bite. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I am back in my room. I'm gonna edit some more videos, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Do not forget to like this video down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And also, I post videos about my weight loss as well. So if you're interested in a video like that, go ahead and subscribe down below. And also share this video with your friends. I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.